रास्पबेरी पाई बेस्ड कंट्रोलर है, जिसको हम ट्रेन कर सकते हैं, इसको कोड कर सकते हैं और इसमें जो जितने भी सेंसर्स है उसको रीडिजाइंड और कस्टमाइज कर
तो
सकते हैं।
यूजुअली आप इसको किस यूज में लाते हो?
सेम इट विल गोज टू द लैब्स.
अच्छा, do you have any idea about the cost of this, the price of these?
Yeah, this particular products cost around 1.3 lakhs around. Okay.
Wow, and this is being done with the use of these wires?
Yes,
Oh,
with these.
okay. So
These are called the filaments.
Oh, right.
Okay, this is just like the ink for this printer.
All right.
Yeah, these are this.
Oh. So, आज हम आए थिंक रोबोटिक्स पे और इनके स्टॉल पे काफ़ी कुछ हमें न्यू देखने को मिलेगा। यहाँ पे आई कैन सी एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू एआई एंड रोबोटिक्स। देयर इज दिस ह्यूमनॉइड एंड 3D प्रिंटर्स भी हैं और भी बहुत कुछ हैं। तो लेट्स लर्न मोर अबाउट देम। सो these things here, the products here are usually used in academic institutions or those who are in science field, science and technology, और IITs में काम कर रहे हैं और those who are into manufacturing of these AI and robotic products. So अंदर चल के और सीखते हैं, चलिए. Hi.
Hi.
So can you explain us about the products
Yeah,
here?
of course. Firstly, I would like to explain about my company. We are basically Delhi-based e-commerce platform where we fill the gap between the requirement and the producers, like the R&D people who are in the field of the robotics and electronics.
Right.
We support them at a component level, at the R&D phase or at the proof of concept phase.
Right.
So basically all our offerings and the products are on that, aligned to that requirement.
Okay.
Okay. So sometimes it is required to be prototyping. So we also provide them end-to-end solution in terms of the technical hand-holding to the technical graduates who are currently studying, pursuing their degrees in the IITs and other engineering colleges.
Right.
As well.
Right.
So we have more than 6,000 products on our websites,
Okay.
and these are we are the company from the nuts to the advanced AI modules. Okay. So
Right.
basically,
Yeah.
in front of you, this is the CO2 based laser cutter,
Okay.
which can be used for the cutting of the materials as well as the engraving of things. Like this is the engraved
Okay.
things done by this particular machines only.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So who all purchase this from you?
Yeah, all the customers, like for project engineers, or there are two segments. One is B2C,
Right.
another is B2B.
B2B.
Yeah, okay. The B2C segments are basically the students of the engineering colleges or the project heads of the engineering colleges
Right.
who are working on on particular technical concepts.
Okay.
So they required their prototyping. These all are required. They required their prototype brandings and all.
Right,
So
right.
these type of custom and very small quantities. They can't go to industry to produce their brand name or one particular equipment. For
Right.
that prototyping, they required V type of people in the markets so that they can prove their concept, and then they go to a industry level at a production level.
Right,
So
right.
these all are the small scales equipment which can be used at the level of the R&D.
Okay,
Once the
alright.
R&D phase is over, it will goes into a full-fledged production level. Then you require a industrial grade laser cutters and the 3D printers.
Right,
That will
right.
be totally a different segments.
Right.
So basically, we handle the R&D's stage of the technical requirement.
Okay. Okay. So let's move ahead. And what is this? This is something.
This is a 3D printers.
Yeah, I can see they're printing very nicely.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it has just paused. Okay.
Okay.
This
So
is
this is
printed by
the-
this machine only. Okay.
Okay.
This is the bed of the printer where it will
Okay.
be printed.
3D
इसको pause को
printer.
start कर देना.
And
So you are going to give.
ये
I
file,
mean-
we will transfer the electronic file that is called STL to this machine. Once the file is transferred, it will show that how many time it will take.
Okay.
Once its nozzle will be get heated,
Okay.
and once the
If it's
heating,
heating.
once the heating is complete,
Hmm.
the filament is required to be heated and liquid in a liquid form.
Okay.
Then the nozzle will be used for layering those materials
Okay.
to print it as a product.
Wow, and this is being done with the use of these wires.
Yes,
Oh,
with these.
okay, so-
These are called the filaments.
Oh, right.
Okay, this is just like the ink for this printer.
All right, this is the input and this is the output.
Yes, and the converter is the STL file.
Right, right. And how long does it take to print one?
It depend upon how what is the product and how
How much, what design it's
yeah
using?
everything
Okay.
or the size and everything.
All right. So this is
they-
still heating.
Yes, it is very small scale at a very small bed size. So it
Okay.
is all about the it will resume where he has left it. Okay.
Right. Oh, this is great. All right. So let's move ahead. What is this?
This is the microscope from the endostar.
Okay, this is a microscope.
Yeah, the feed is available on the screen.
All right.
Yeah, this is
Acha,
the
so
live
this
feed.
is what we are seeing
Yeah,
here.
it is a live feed. There are two
Great.
feeds. One is the endoscope. The feed is coming here. You can
Yes.
adjust it here.
Okay. So where is this used, in which industry or by who?
The people who are in the are in the PCBs, and these all are for the electronics segment.
Okay, okay.
So if they require to repair it, replace it at a component
Acha.
level. Okay.
Okay.
So these are required at that level. They are
Alright.
working, designing, or replacing the component of a PCBs. So
Right.
then these microscopes are required. These are
Okay.
called the digital microscope with a varies range, how much it can enlarge, and being it is a digital one, their output can be seen, stored
Okay.
on all the digital platforms.
Right, right, right. This looks very nice. So the things are very good. I'd like to know more about these products.
Yeah, basically these are the robots.
Okay.
Also, you can say the concept why in the robotic fields.
Right.
Yeah, the first one is the color sorting, AI based color sorting robotics.
Okay.
So as per their codings, that codes can be redesigned or based on the requirement. Currently, it is all about how you taught them, how you write their codes
Codes.
on the ROS. So currently, it is designed to sort those colors.
Okay.
Okay, if it will be commanded to sort out the blue colors cubes out of all those cubes, so it will only pick up those blue cubes. So the machine ability is to identify the colors.
Okay.
It can
And-
identify the color of the cubes. It can identify the color of the basket as well.
All right. And so where is this used?
This is only for the concepts, the proofing of
Just
their concepts.
learning of this
A-
AI and robotics.
A scientist or engineer will not go to a floor to
Right.
test their concept.
Right.
The robotics, he will not go to a automotive factory to prove their concept.
Bilkul.
They want their concept, how their pattern codes are working or not, their modules are behaving like
Right.
not. This is all about at a scale down model, a fully working scale down models. Once their concept are proven, then they will scale it up and go to a industrial production.
Right,
So
right.
these all are used in a robotics field for proof of their concept.
Right.
It is look like a toy to be used in a
True,
dining
true,
room corner, but it is not. These are used particularly in the robotic labs.
And this is
for
all
the
about
teaching-
learning and research.
Yeah, for all about the teaching as well as the proof of their concept.
Right, right. Okay. And what about this?
This is also a one type of robots based on controllers and the lidars. It's have a 360 degree lidars. It can identify the objects in their paths.
Okay.
They can pick the commanded objects as well as
Acha.
everything.
Anything that we command him to be.
It's
Okay.
depend upon their programmings and all.
All right, all right. Great. And do you have any idea about the cost of this, the price of these?
Yeah, these particular products cost around 1.3 lakhs around. Okay. It's had a variant, the lower range as well as the upper range as
Okay,
well.
okay. Great. And what about this humanoid?
Yeah, these are the humanoids which he will say in a working condition as well. These
Okay.
all are the robotic, the concept toys, and the use. Some of them are used for the teaching purposes
Right.
to the children in the robotic field,
Right.
as well as proofing of their modules and their programmings and all.
Okay.
Currently it's have a controller. नितिन इसमें किसका कंट्रोलर लगा हुआ है?
High wonder.
इसमें हाई वंडर का कंट्रोलर किसका है इसका? उसी का रास्पबेरी पाई बेस्ड कंट्रोलर है
Okay.
जिसको हम ट्रेन कर सकते हैं, इसको कोड कर सकते हैं और इसमें जो जितने भी सेंसर्स है उसको रीडिजाइंड और कस्टमाइज कर
तो
सकते हैं.
यूजुअली आप इसको किस यूज में लाते हो?
Seem it will goes to the labs.
अच्छा, labs में, and we can put it to any use that we wish.
Yes,
Command
for the
it.
teaching purposes in the robotics field of robotics.
Great, great. So can you show us something?
Yeah, of course, he will show their movement.
Yeah, ऐसा display of face rabbit.
मेरे
Yeah.
पास कराओ सर इसको.
आप आ जाइए, आपके
अच्छा,
सामने
मैं उधर
एकदम
Hi. How sweet. Hey, thumbs up. अच्छा, thumbs नहीं है. It does not have.
Yeah,
और
it's
what
also have
else?
काफी
it's also have that variants which have their full-fledged grip.
Okay.
Yeah.
So shake hand.
wait.
Okay. What do I do? What is
wait,
this?
Wait. ऊपर करो. आराम से.
Okay. Okay. Yay.
It's have a certain degree of restrictions where it can look.
Ha. It's not. The eyesight is not very sharp, huh?
Yeah.
As
No, the
soon-
degree of the angle of their vision that is restricted.
Okay. Oh. This is very nice. So, guys, you can really connect with them for learning. If you're in this science stream, if you want to do some research and more research and development or in AI field and other such field, so do connect with them. इनके पास और भी बहुत सारे products हैं यहाँ पे. So there are many parts. And can you share your details so that the people who are interested in these products can connect with you?
Yeah, of course. We are available on our web portal with a brand name called Think Robotics, where we have more than 6,000 existing products, as well as we offer a very detailed technical specification and the data of all those products, as well as the hand holding for the R&D projects as well.